Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check and update software version on your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 5. You have to start by open Huawei application. Now choose your device. Then scroll down a little bit and click on update. Now we can see our version and we can also update it. So click on download and install. Now click OK, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!